here is the final product. It's quick and easy. It takes probably about 10 minutes, if that, to do your brows. For beginners it might be a little longer, but I've been doing it for a minute. So yep, this is how they came out today. And my brows don't always look the same all the time. Like, sometimes they look darker, sometimes they might not look as dark. They look kind of natural. I don't know, I'm still learning as well. But this is what they look like. Let me get up close so you can see it. And mind you, my brows have not been waxed in a minute. With everything that's going on, I just kind of stayed away from it. I still go do it, but not as much as I was doing it. So yeah. And the reason why I kind of wipe off the excess around my eyes, if I ain't already explained it, is because for me, it just makes me more comfortable with the look. Like, I don't like all that, you could tell that it's makeup type of thing. I like to make it look as natural as I can make it look, if I can make it look natural, you know. If I'm able to do it, then I'm gonna do it, you know. But this was just the pattern of my natural brow, and you basically just fill it in. But yeah, did that pretty quick. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, like and follow my channel, because I'm a new YouTube comer, so I start off with simple stuff. Don't really know what my videos, how they gonna go in order or whatever, but give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.